Hello everyone, this is me Sharon, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a beanie using this Aidiler Electric Adapter for my Sentro 48-pin knitting machine. This is the power supply, by the way, and there's a knob, a silver one, which is all about the speed of this knitting machine. On top is the switch. This is what we often use for running the machine clockwise. This one we don't use very often. And then let's plug it in first, and then after plugging in, there's a green light indicator, and then once we turn it on, you will see the light red, and which means it's on. But of course it's not gonna work if it's not switched on at the top. So first we're going to leave about 6 to 10 inches of yarn. So next is we're going to go to the first hook, and right next to that is the white hook, which is the last hook. So we will use the first hook, we go under and over the next one. So we're going to do that alternately while manually cranking. And of course the direction should be to the right side or clockwise for tube knitting. Once done, we're now going to go through the yarn guide and then to the tension lever. This is for the tight, moderate, and loose tension, so you can choose what kind of tension you want. I'm choosing the moderate one. I will reset the row counter and then start to turn on. By the way, the knob that I showed you a while ago, you need to turn it slowly from left to right. In order to change the speed, you just keep on turning it to the right side clockwise. But when I checked the manual, it says that when you're using the electric adapter, it is recommended to use or make it rotate slowly. So I tried making 10 beanies in a day using the crank that comes with it when I first bought this Sentro 48-pin knitting machine, and it made my arm sore after making 10 hats just in a day. So with this electric adapter, I can make about more than 10 beanies, and there will be no more sore arm after that. After 20 minutes, we now have an adult size beanie. So now I am so happy to make more beanies because I know that it will only take me just 20 minutes to make one, and this is very convenient and great to use, especially for those who are planning to make a business with making hats and head warmers. I'm sure it will be a big help for your small business. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.